teachers and my dear friends. Today we are celebrating Onam. Onam is an important festival in Kerala. It is celebrated for 10 days. We all have heard about this because the Keralites, which we call them Malayalis, are there in all parts of the world. So word Onam is familiar to us. So let us see how they celebrate Onam. We, the students of class 7B, gives you a small illustration how they celebrate Onam.
Good morning everybody, this is Calvin from 7B. Today I will be telling you about the festival Onam, marking the end of the monsoon and welcoming the harvest season. This Kerala festival Onam is the Hindu festival celebrated annually all over India with its great origin in the Kerala state. One of the biggest festivals of the state, Onam is celebrated for 10 days during Malayalam month of Chingam, which fills the heart of people with gaiety and brings them together to be a part of vibrant and cultural festival. The festivities of Onam reflects the tradition and culture of Kerala in the most unique way. According to the ancient legends, this festival of rain flowers was celebrated to commemorate the arrival of Asura king Mahabali's annual visit from Patala. Onam festival is also called the Festival of Flowers, and Pookalam is one of the forms of celebrating this grand festival. This is referred to the ritual where the people make designs on the floor and decorate that with various flowers, usually at the door front and temples, which look like a flower mat. Another fascinating thing about Onam festival is the famous boat race which takes place in Kerala. The festival without delicious food is incomplete. The Onam festival food is one of its kind, and thus the Onam Sadhya or the Onam feast is the highlight of this 10-day celebration. This is 9 courses of meal which comprises of 11 to 13 tradition dishes which is served on a banana leaf. Thank you.
Onam. Aditya AP of our class will narrate the story behind the Onam celebration.
Good morning to all. My name is Aditya AP. I am from class 7B. Today is the main festival of people in Kerala called Onam. So happy Onam to all of my friends and teachers. As the festival of Onam, everyone is making a design with the flowers in front of their houses like this. And wearing colorful clothes and cooking a lot of tasty dishes. But do you know why is Onam celebrated? There is a very interesting story behind the celebration of Onam. So let me tell you. Thousands and thousands of years ago, there was a king known as Mahabali king. He was a very kind-hearted king, but he still belonged to a tenant family. He was this much kind-hearted that he would offer people a lot of money. But he was very powerful also. And because he was very powerful, thus he incurred the jealous with the god himself. He was very ego and thought he is better than God, and thought that I am the most powerful. I am also powerful than God. And because of this jealous and ego, Lord Vishnu took the avatar of Vamana. Vamana is a short-heighted man. So Vamana, who was the avatar of Lord Vishnu, went to Mahabali's palace. In this palace, he asked Mahabali, "Can you give me 3 steps of land to cover?" He asked, "Can you give me some land so that I can cover my 3 steps? 3 steps." Then King Mahabali said, "Okay, it's very too less. You can take any place to cover your 3 steps." Then Vamana said, "Very, very thank you." Then suddenly he became very large and he was like a giant. He was so big and so big. In his first step, he was very big that his foot was like very large. So in his first step, he covered whole the land of the earth. Because his foot was very large, whole the land of the earth was covered in his first step. Then in his second step, he covered whole the sky. This much large means his foot was this much large that he covered whole sky in his second step. Then when he started to take his third step, he asked King Mahabali, how can I take my third step? As the whole land was covered in my first step and whole sky was covered in my second step. So there is no step to cover the third step. So there is no place to cover his third step. Then King Mahabali said, "You can cover your third step in the top of my head." Then Vamana said, "Okay, I will cover the third step on the top of your head," means Mahabali said. Then he took his third step straight on the head of his Mahabali's king. Then because of the pressure, as Vamana was very giant, because of that pressure, Mahabali pressed under the ground. And that under the ground place is known as Patal. Then Mahabali said, "Oh, I am under the ground, but what about my people of my kingdom?" Then Vamana said, "Oh, I think you love your people of your kingdom very much." Then Vamana said, "Okay, you can come to this world from the Patal to visit your people of the kingdom, but only for one day in a year. And that one day is known as Onam." So, this was the story behind the celebration of Onam. And again, happy Onam from Aditya to all my friends and teachers. May this year bring happiness and prosperity to all of you. Thank you.
Now you heard the story of Maveli from Aditya. Hope you got the story. If not, let me give you a quick recap about Maveli. Maveli was a kind and generous ruler, and during his rule, people were happy and living prosperously. The gods became jealous of Mahabali's popularity. They asked Lord Vishnu to help them get rid of Mahabali. So Lord Vishnu visited Mahabali in the form of a short Brahmin named Vamana. He asked the king for 3 feet of land, which king readily granted him. Then Vamana grew to enormous proportions and covered the entire universe with his 2 feet. King Mahabali offered his own head for the Brahmin's third step before Vamana pushed Mahabali to the netherworld or Patalam. He granted Mahabali's one last wish, that he would be able to come back and visit his kingdom once a year during Onam. Let us now know more about Onam. First and foremost attraction is Onasadhya, and you can hear about it from Harsheen Kaur of our class.
The widely famous Harval festival of Kerala is Onam. Also celebrates this yearly visit of their beloved Raja Mahabali, who is also known as Maveli, in order to show the prosperity of the people to their king. People have Sadhya, a feast during Onam season and also during their weddings. It contains the hurt, the tempting aroma of the vegetarian delights, lavishly spread on the sparkling banana leaves. The feel of it is mesmerizing. Banana leaf is placed in a particular manner and direction, and the meal is served and consumed in a sequence. Thank you.
It is not over yet. You can hear some more interesting facts about Onasadhya from Edna of our class.
To continue with Sadhya, it is a grand meal which includes upri, which is salted banana chips, inji curry, which is ginger curry, mango curry, paripu with ghee, that is yellow dal, sambar, olan, abyal, which is mixed sabji, koram, etc. You won't believe. Traditionally, 26 multi-course vegetarian dishes are served during Onam. Kerala is a land of coconut trees and it is found in abundance in the states. So, coconut milk and coconut oil are the basic ingredients of Onam dishes. Earlier, there were traditions of serving 60 items and now it has reduced to nearly 26 items, including different varieties of payasam, which we say kheer in Hindi.
There are some folk performance during Onam like Pulikali or Tiger Dance, Tilvadarakali or Kaikotikali, etc. Now Dhruv of our class will tell you more about Pulikali.
Good morning everyone. My name is Dhruv Sarawat. I study in class 7B. I am going to tell a few lines on Pulikali. Pulikali is a folk art performed by great artists on the occasion of Onam on the fourth day. It is mainly performed on the state Kerala of India. Thank you.
Now that you know about Pulikali, let's hear it from Jemima. What she has to say about the dance performed by the ladies during Onam.
Vedira and Gaikottakali are the two most famous folk dance of ladies during this festival. Other than these, there are games like Tumpitulal and Unyal Atam, etc. People like to enjoy during this period because they want to show their king that they are happy.
First I will serve you salt, Opini that is banana fried chips, Chakravarti that is jaggery coated chips, banana papadam, mango pickle, lemon pickle. The brown one is inji curry, cucumber pachadi, red one is beetroot pachadi, pineapple sweet pachadi, onion curry, avel, cherry, poota curry. Then I will serve you rice with pulpi curry and ghee. After finishing rice with pulpi curry, I will serve you sambar with rice. After finishing rice with sambar, rice with pulcheri, buttermilk, rasam, etc. Then I will serve you sweet dishes like Adapradapin, Pal Paisam. These are the essential dishes for the Onam Sadhya.
मैं मानव आज खाना खा के बहुत मजा आ गया.
Our class is an ocean of talents and we want to exhibit some of the artwork of our class on Onam festival. So let's enjoy the folk dance performance of Aksa of our class.
So now let us enjoy some artwork and drawing exhibition by our class.
This is Atta Poklam, floral design made by me. I am Kashvi Kapoor of class 7P. I would say happy Onam to all on this occasion.
Happy Onam!